Hello, everyone. Today, we explore the strategies and insights of the world's greatest investors. Today, we're diving into the investment secrets of Warren Buffett, often hailed as the greatest investor of the 21st century. Buffett, the Oracle of Omaha, has amassed a fortune through his incredible investment acumen. Let's uncover the principles that have guided him to unparalleled success. Principle 1. Value investing. Warren Buffett is a staunch advocate of value investing, a strategy he learned from his mentor, Benjamin Graham. This approach involves buying undervalued stocks with strong fundamentals and holding them for the long term. To follow in Buffett's footsteps, focus on identifying companies that are undervalued by the market but have strong potential for growth. Look beyond the stock price and analyze the company's intrinsic value. Principle 2. Patience and long-term perspective. Buffett believes in the power of patience. He often says, "The stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient." His long-term perspective has been key to his success. Invest with a long-term horizon. Avoid the temptation to make quick profits, and instead, allow your investments to grow over time. Principle 3. Investing in what you know. Buffett advises investors to stick to their circle of competence. He invests in businesses he understands deeply, which minimizes risks and increases the likelihood of success. Identify industries and companies you are familiar with. Your knowledge will give you an edge in making informed investment decisions. Principle 4. Economic moats. Buffett looks for companies with a strong competitive advantage, or economic moat, which protects them from competitors. This could be a strong brand, cost advantages, or exclusive products. Seek out companies with sustainable competitive advantages. These businesses are more likely to deliver long-term growth and profitability. Principle 5. Financial discipline. Buffett is known for his frugality and financial discipline. He emphasizes the importance of managing expenses and avoiding unnecessary debt. Maintain financial discipline in your investments. Keep an eye on costs and avoid over-leveraging your portfolio. Principle 6. Keeping cash reserves. Buffett always ensures Berkshire Hathaway has substantial cash reserves. This allows him to take advantage of investment opportunities during market downturns. Keep a portion of your portfolio in cash. This liquidity can be crucial for seizing opportunities when others are forced to sell. Principle 7. Continuous learning. Buffett is an avid reader, dedicating hours each day to reading books, newspapers, and financial reports. He believes in continuous learning and staying informed. Commit to lifelong learning. Stay curious and keep updating your knowledge to make better investment decisions. Principle 8. Avoiding herd mentality. Buffett often goes against the crowd. He advises, be fearful when others are greedy, and greedy when others are fearful. Develop the courage to go against the herd. Make investment decisions based on your analysis, not market hype. Principle 9. Staying humble and grounded. Despite his immense wealth, Buffett lives a relatively modest lifestyle. He remains humble and grounded, focusing on his passion for investing rather than material possessions. Stay humble and focused on your goals. Let your passion drive you, not the pursuit of wealth for its own sake. Principle 10. Philanthropy. Warren Buffett is also known for his commitment to giving back. He has pledged to give away the majority of his fortune to charitable causes through the Giving Pledge. Consider the impact you want to make with your wealth. Philanthropy not only helps others, but also brings fulfillment and purpose to your life. There you have it, the investment secrets of Warren Buffett that have made him the greatest investor of the 21st century. By incorporating these principles into your investment strategy, you can start building your path to financial success. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more insights from the world's top investors. Thanks for watching.